Ever tried building your own HPC, the HPC cluster for your team or for your company, and then faced with the reality, the problem, right? The ever increasing hardware cost, the upfront hardware cost you need to pay, and then the IT and the maintenance issues and the problems associated with IT, the power failure, and everything breaking down at the worst possible time. Then you decided, okay, let's move to cloud, thinking that all these problems are solved forever. But surprisingly, the main problem, which is the cost, it is still there. It's really expensive. Why? Because you have a lot of simulations to run, and every single simulation you run, you need to pay for it. And the worst thing is, you have to be on target on all these simulations. That means you cannot afford to make mistakes. You cannot have a wrong boundary condition. It happens. It often happens. You cannot afford to make some mistakes in your model, or you cannot try a new submodels or a new model. And then the problem is you have to pay for every single simulations. So your monthly bill goes too high, and your R&D budget, it goes beyond the limit. So it restricts you. You lose your freedom. You are not alone. We have a solution for you. Welcome to Flowthermolab Cloud, the Cloud HPC for CAE engineers. We are not the same. We are different. We are just like you. We are a CFD company ourselves. We run a lot of simulations. We run a lot of simulations every day, and we understand your problem. We understand the pain. So how is it different, right? How can we give you a better solution? So you tell us how many number of CPUs you need, how many number of cores you need, what is the storage space you need, and then we build your HPC, just like your own premise HPC, and you don't have to pay for the hardware cost. Yes, your HPC, just your HPC, and no hardware cost. So how does it work? You have to pay us a monthly subscription. So a fixed monthly subscription. So you know that how much you're going to pay, and the freedom it is going to give you is you can run 24/7, any number of simulations. We are not going to count on the core hours or how many hours you're going to run. It is all yours. So you just pay based on the number of CPUs or number of servers you want, and then there is a fixed monthly cost. That's it. So the issue with the cost is solved. You don't need to think about the IT and the maintenance. We take care of it. All other problems are, is gone. So it's very affordable. Even for startups, it's very affordable because you're going with a fixed monthly subscription and you have zero maintenance. You just focus on your problem. Your problem is solving CAE problems, like CFD problems or FEM problems, and developing your product or working on your research. You just focus there. We will take care of the HPC. We will help you with the computing power. Now we have, at the moment we have, two solutions, two kind of processors. One is Xeon Platinum processor, and the other one is, the AMD EPYC processor. So you can select any one of them, and also have additional GPUs if you need. And you can start with your, building an HPC with a very simple one compute node, just one compute node, and you can start your HPC. And based on your requirement, you can add any numbers, based on your team size, and based on your requirement, you can keep adding and scaling it up. And we have all the software installed, the commercial software as well as the open source CFD and FEM software. And if you need any other software, we are happy to install that as well. And for the commercial software, you need to bring your license. If you connect your license server to the HPC, you can run it on our cloud. So you don't need to have an additional license for that. And for Siemens Star-CCM Plus, we also provide the power on demand license. You just need to pay for a few number of hours you're going to use. We can give you a power on demand license. And for OpenFOAM, all the versions of OpenFOAM are installed. If you need any support on training and learning OpenFOAM, we provide that as well. Now, how does it work? The good news is you don't need any high-end machine at your end. You don't need any workstation laptop or a workstation desktop for you. You can just connect with a very simple laptop through our secure network, through the VPN and the firewall. Once you're connected, you get a virtual machine. So with the virtual machine, which is having also the GPU in the backend, you can do the pre-processing, you can create your mesh, you can do the post-processing, and you can run all the simulations from this, using this virtual machine with the compute nodes. And you're going to use the same technology which is there in any supercomputer in the world. We use Slum for scheduling the job, and you can put it in the queue and run multiple simulations. You can run it over weekend. You can put multiple queues, when you're going for vacation and things like that. So the same technology, and then once you do the post-processing, you can transfer your data back to your laptop or your local machine. Just drag and drop. That's it. It's as simple as that. The next important point is, what about data security, right? We keep very high value for data security, and your data is, or your servers are hosted in our UK data center, which is ISO certified data center. And, we don't host it over the web. You have to go through the VPN and the firewall so that, we have the highest security possible. And also your data is backed up regularly. So that is about the monthly subscription. But now, if you don't want to have a monthly subscription, if this is not what you want, you don't run a lot of simulations, you run, you have some simulations once in a while, then you can also go for pay-as-you-go option, just like any other cloud computing services. And, you just pay for the number of hours you run. And we also have academic plan, especially for PhDs and MS students, and, to help you in your research. There may be, additional discount for academic, and you can look into that as well. So what next, right? If you're interested in Flowthermolab Cloud, the next thing is write to us. Write to cloud@flowthermolab.com from your official email address, or go to our website and then register there. Fill the form and register. We will arrange a meeting and we will arrange a demo session, and from there you can take it up further.